Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get right into it today because I have a ton of product empties that I've been collecting over the course of like 2 months that I thought would be kind of fun to share. And if you're wondering, my cat's gonna be chilling with us today. But anyway, if you're new, hi, my name is Sophia. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Let's just get right into it. We're gonna start off with shampoo. This is the Verb Ghost shampoo. I've bought this plenty of times. It's a fantastic, just basic shampoo. It really is. It smells great, does what it's supposed to do. But yeah, I really like this one. I feel like it's a great basic shampoo. So would I repurchase this one? Yes, and I have plenty of times. Going along with that, this is the Verb Ghost Conditioner. And again, I think this is a great conditioner. I feel like it really helps detangle in the shower, and as someone with curly hair, I know my hair's not curly today, I've straightened it, but as someone with curly hair, I feel like sometimes detangling it in the shower can be a struggle and can take a lot of work, but this works great. So I like to put just a little in my hands, run my hair under the water, and then just with a wide tooth comb, brush it out, maybe apply a little bit more, and this does a great job at that. And would I buy it again? Yes, I would, and I just restocked it. Continuing along with hair, this is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask. I've actually been wanting to try it for quite a long time, so I really enjoyed this. I thought it smelled great. It definitely smells exactly like what you think, fig and coconut. I think it was great at conditioning, great at replenishing hydration and moisture. I feel like it didn't do quite enough to help make my curls bounce back. Like, it did an okay job, but I think that there are better curly hair masks out there. But as for nourishing and hydration and moisture, I thought it was great. I thought it was really great. So would I buy this again? Yeah, I would. Next up is the Curlsmith Hydra Style Flexi Jelly. I've bought this quite a few times. I really like this product. I actually really love the way that it smells. I don't know what the fragrance is in here, but it's really good. Like the way that it holds my curls, I feel like it doesn't quite give it enough hold. I don't know if I should maybe try a mousse instead. I think that might give my curls some better hold than a gel. In terms of like styling, like a slick back or something, I think it does a pretty good job with that. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I would buy it again. Do I need to buy it again? No. Next up, I have the Necessaire hand cream. I apologize for the way that this tube looks. I don't have one of those little things that you stick on the top and then roll it down, so I just kind of squeeze the life out of it. Anyway, this was pretty good hand cream. I enjoyed it. It's perfect just to throw into my purse and just have on me at work. I thought that this was good. It's got glycerin, it's got ceramide, it's got niacinamide, really great ingredients. So would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. We're gonna move on to some more body care products. And this is from Tree Hut. It's the Palm Grove Sugar Scrub. And I love Tree Hut scrubs. They are so amazing. I love to keep in my shower right before shaving. And they always smell so good. They feel amazing on the skin. And they're cheap. That's what I love about them. They're so affordable. I always like to try out different scents, to be honest with you, because they have so many different ones. So this was a new scent for me and I really liked it. It was very fresh, very green, clean. But is it my favorite scent? Honestly, I'm really basic when it comes to the Tree Hut scrubs. I love the Moroccan Rose scent. That's probably my favorite one. But yeah, I thought this one was really good. I definitely recommend it for the summertime if you want something that's going to be very fresh and clean and very invigorating in the shower. It's a great one. But would I repurchase the same scent? Probably not. Mostly because I like to try all the different scents. Next up, this is the Truly Vanilla Baby Shaving Cream. This one I thought was pretty good. I just wasn't a huge fan of the fragrance that's in it. The fragrance that's in here smells very similar to Kayali Vanilla 28, which I know this is very controversial. I don't really love the way that smells on me. It just doesn't really smell good on me, okay? I'm not a huge vanilla fragrance fan, and I love fragrance, but I just haven't found a vanilla that's like really good for me yet, and I'm on the hunt for a vanilla that I love because there has to be one out there. But I thought in terms of a shaving cream, I thought it did a really good job. I didn't really get any nicks or anything like that. And I really liked that it washed off really easily. It really wasn't like a thick and creamy shaving cream. It was more like a conditioner, like a hair conditioner texture. But I kind of like that, to be honest, as long as it washes off easily. Would I repurchase it again? No. But the reason why is really because of the scent. I know they have a different scent in this shaving cream, so maybe I'll try that one out, but I wouldn't repurchase this particular one. Next up is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. This is amazing. Oh my God. I love this body butter. It's probably one of my favorite body butters of all time. In the unscented version, I like to have a good unscented body butter on hand, and this is my go-to. It's incredible. It makes your skin so glowy, so moisturized. I've gone through so much of this. I actually have another one in my bathroom right now, and I cannot recommend this enough. If you haven't tried it, go try it because you're gonna be in love with it. So yes, I would 100% repurchase this, as I have many times. This is a great one. Last up for Bodycare, this is the Pistachio Body Butter. And this again is not a new or revolutionary product. It's been, you know, out for so many years, but I actually haven't tried it until recently because I just wanted to see what the hype is about, okay? And to be honest, there's some good and there's some bad, I feel, about this product. The good, I love the texture. It's an amazing formula. It feels great on the skin. It really, really hydrates, really moisturizes. Your skin is going to be super, super glowy. You're gonna feel like amazing after getting out of the shower and putting this on. The downside to me is the fragrance. Now, I think the fragrance is delicious and delectable. It's so good. However, it is incredibly strong and it does not fade like at all. You're still gonna smell, like if you put this on at night and you put on like your pajamas, you get into bed, your sheets are gonna smell like this, your pajamas are gonna smell like this, and like you'll wake up in the morning and you're still gonna smell like this, like pretty strong. And I don't like that when it comes to a body cream. I like a good scented body cream. I do, I have them. But when it's going to overpower like anything else and smell so strong for so long, I don't love that because I'm a fragrance lover and I love to, you know, spritz on my fragrance in the morning, and I'm not a huge gourmand person. Like I like some, but I don't know, this, I just don't have other things that I feel like I wanted to layer with this to, you know, enhance the fragrance and just, you know, kind of keep it moving throughout the day. I was more just like, kind of just want to wash it off because I'm sick of smelling it. So would I repurchase this? No, because of the fragrance. Next up we have skincare. This is the Farmacy Honey Cloud Moisturizer. I really enjoyed this moisturizer. I love Farmacy as just a brand in general, but this was one of their newer moisturizers. I think it came out like quite a few months back. But my mom actually had this one and I tried it at her house and I really, really liked it. So I said, I gotta go pick it up for myself because this is great. I thought it was super moisturizing on my skin, wore really well under makeup, was great at nighttime, and really paired nicely with any sort of serums that I decided to wear with it. So this was a great moisturizer and I definitely would recommend checking it out if you haven't. And would I repurchase it? Yeah, I would repurchase it. Next up, I have the Ordinary GF 15% serum. This serum, I thought it was all right. It was very watery. That was my problem with this serum. It was kind of difficult to apply. And I'm a person that I kind of pump it into my hand like this, like that. And then I apply it to my face with my hands. Like I go like this and then apply. And because it's so watery, it was really hard to do that. And I felt like it was just, I don't know, not a great sensorial experience, to be honest. In terms of wearability under makeup, I thought it was great. It wasn't a heavy serum at all. I just thought that the product was okay, not life-changing, but definitely not bad by any means. I just thought it was fine. Would I repurchase it? No, probably not. Next up, I have the Ordinary Multi-Peptide and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This one I really love. I love a good peptide and hyaluronic acid duo. I also thought the texture of this was great. It was that perfect serum sort of consistency where it's not going to be too watery, not too thick. It went on beautifully. I feel like it maybe peeled a little bit, like there was a little bit of pilling. So I would use this mostly at nighttime for that extra hydration boost. But I also really like to use this on my body, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I like to put peptide and hyaluronic serums on like stretch marks and stuff like that. I feel like it helps with their appearance and kind of just overall skin health, skin elasticity in those areas. So I definitely recommend it for that as well. And that is kind of what I've been using this for in addition to my nighttime skincare routine. So it's a great one and I would definitely recommend. And would I repurchase it? Yes, I would. Last up, I have the Farmacy Honey Butter Lip Balm. I love lip balms, lip butters, lip oils, you name it, I love it. And this was a great one. I was pleasantly surprised by it because normally like the stick texture, like it's one of these sort of like stick lip balms. I find that these can be a little less moisturizing than more like than like the lip butters, like the kind like the Ole Henriksen one that's in the tube. That's one of my favorites, but this one I was pleasantly surprised because it was very, very moisturizing. I felt like I put it on. I mean, I put on a decent amount, I'm not gonna lie, but I put it on and I didn't feel like 5 minutes later my lips were dry because sometimes this sort of lip balm is just not enough for my lips and I'm just craving more of something heavier. This didn't leave me wanting more, I will say. I thought it was a great one, and I would recommend checking it out if you're someone that doesn't really like a heavier lip butter and you want something that's a little bit more lightweight and not so like lip glossy. This is a really great nourishing one for your lips. I would recommend this and I would repurchase it. Those are all of my recent empties for the past like 2 months, and I kind of like going back and really like reflecting on what I've used up, what I've repurchased and restocked already, what I liked and didn't like. So anyway, that is it for today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.